Suppose a raised to the power m is given to you. Then we call a as base and m as index or power. Plural of index is indices. There are certain rules which we have to follow. Rule number 1, if bases are same, if I'm multiplying a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n, you can see base a is same in both the case. Then in multiplication, powers get add up. In case rule number 2, if a raised to the power m is divided by a raised to the power n, and we can see the bases are same, then the power in the denominator will go up and get changed. So I will write a raised to the power m minus n. Rule number 3, if I have a raised to the power m raised to the power n, then powers get multiplied. Anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. Square root represent raised to the power half. You can see under root a is a raised to the power half. And if you have some index, this small number m, then this m will come as 1 over m. Two things multiplying together and they have something as common, then this power m will come separately on both, like this. Let me show you some examples from past year paper. June 2019 paper 1-1, question number 6, part A and B. The part A says evaluate. Evaluate means find the value, a numerical value. 36 raised to the power half. I want to point out here that whenever you are provided with numbers, you have to take prime factors of that number. So here I am taking prime factors of 36, and this prime factor is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. I can see it is 6 coming 2 times. So I can write 6 power 2 in place of 36. And if I do so, power raised to the power get multiplied and 2 get cancelled. And the answer is 6 raised to the power 1, which is simply 6. Part 2 of A is 5 raised to the power minus 2. You cannot interpret this. You have to get rid of this negative sign. If you bring 5 raised to the power minus 2 in denominator like this, the minus sign will go away and it will become 5 raised to the power 2. So it is 1 over 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2 is 5 multiplied by itself 2 times, which is 25. So 1 over 25 is your answer. Part B says 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 5 over 3 equals to 2 raised to the power k. Here you have to find the value of k. So the value of k is required. In this situation, you can simplify your left hand side. 8 is not a prime number, so you will take prime factors of 8, which is 2 raised to the power 3, 2 multiplied by itself 3 times, so 2 raised to the power 3. So if you put 2 raised to the power 3 in place of 8, this power and this power get multiplied, and 3 get cancelled, and you get 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. Bases are same, both are 2, so their powers get add up. So you get 2 raised to the power 7 equals to 2 raised to the power k. Since these two numbers are same and there is an equals to sign, so we can say k is equals to 7. So this is the value of k which is required. Another example, November 2017, paper 1-1, question number 15b. Simplify 2x square y raised to the power 3 divided by 6x power 4 multiplied by y power 4. I can simplify the numerator. This power 3 will come on this 2, on this x square, on this y. So this will become 2 raised to the power 3. And power raised to the power get multiplied, like when x square is raised to the power 3, then power raised to the power get multiplied. So you will get x power 6. Likewise, this 3 will come on this y, and this become y power 3 in the numerator. The denominator remain as it is already simplified. Now you can interpret 2 power 3 as 8. Bases are same, so you can simplify this 6 and 4. The denominator power will go up and get changed. Likewise, when bases are same, y power 4 gets simplified. It's 3 minus 4. 2 power 3 is 8, and x raised to the power 6 minus 4 will become x squared. 3 minus 4 will become minus 1. So you can simplify 6 and 8, and 6 go 3 times in 2, and 8 is 4 times 2. So you get 4 over 3 x squared y minus 1. You're not supposed to give your answer in negative exponent, negative power. So you have to convert this y power minus 1 to some positive thing. So you bring it in the denominator, and this will become 4x squared over 3y. Example number 3, June 2017, paper 1-1, question number 18, A and B. Evaluate. Evaluate is find the value. You have to find the value after simplification of 3 raised to the power minus 2. So get rid of this negative sign, bring it in the denominator, and this will become 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, which will be 1 over 9. Part 2 is 125 raised to the power 2 over 3. 125 is not a prime number, so you have to find prime factors, which will be 5 raised to the power 3. If you write 5 raised to the power 3 in place of 125, then power raised to the power get multiplied, and 3 multiplied by 2 over 3, 3 get cancelled, and this will be 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25. Part B, simplify 2a square b power 5 over 18a4b raised to the power half. Now see, power half will come on each and every element inside the bracket. Half will come on this. So this will be 2 raised to the power half, a raised to the power 2 into 1 over 2, b raised to the power 5 into 1 over 2, 18 raised to the power half, a raised to the power 4 into 1 over 2, and b raised to the power 1 over 2. 18 is not a prime number, so you will take prime factors of 18, which will be 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. So in place of 18, I put this. This 2 raised to the power half remain as it is. Power raised to the power get simplified and you get a. This remain 5 over 2. 2 one time, 2 two times, so it become a raised to the power 2 and b raised to the power half. So a raised to the power half remain as it is, while in this case power half will come separately on this 2 and on this 3 raised to the power 2. So you can follow this step. I simply put this half thing on this 2 and on this 3 raised to the power 2, while all other things remain as it is. 2 to get simplified, half minus half, and this a and a both have the same base, so this will become, in case of division, 1 minus 2, and b 5 over 2 minus half, while this 2 and 2 get cancelled, and 3 raised to the power 1 is simply 3. And anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by a raised to the power minus 1, b square, because 4 and 2 get cancelled. And since you have to write your answer in positive exponent, so a will come in the denominator, and this is your final answer. Example number 4, June 2022, paper 1-1, question number 15, A, B, and C. A is evaluate, means find the value. 7 raised to the power minus 3 is divided by 7 raised to the power 4 minus 4. If you want, you can write it this way, but it's not necessary. So denominator thing, bases are same, both are 7. So denominator will go up and become positive. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1, and no need to write 1. So this is your answer. 7 is your answer. Find the value of k, and this is your question. 3 raised to the power 6 raised to the power k is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. Power raised to the power get multiplied, so 6 times k is 6k equals to 3 power 2. Bases are same and both sides are equal, so I can write 6k equals to 2. On simplification, I get 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. Part C, simplify. 3 multiplied by bracket open, 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 3 multiply 5 power 4 bracket close raised to the power 2. Now look carefully, this power 2 will come separately on this 2 power 2, 3 power 3 and 5 power 4, and power raised to the power get multiplied. So this 3 remain as it is, while this thing become 2 power 2 into 2, 3 power 3 into 2, powers are multiplying. 5 power 4 is multiplied by 2, so 5 raised to the power 4 into 2. So this 2 is coming separately on each and every element inside. You can do further simplification. 2 multiplied by 2 become 2 power 4, 3 multiplied by 2 become 3 power 6, 4 multiplied by 2 become 8, 5 power 8, and this 3 and this 3 can be further simplified since bases are same and both are multiplying together. So this will become 3 raised to the power 6 plus 1. While this remain as it is, this remain as it is. So this is your final answer.